Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm King Obina. So in this video we're going to look at what Canva YouTube intro is. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive straight into it. Alright guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is King Obina, and make sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. And if you subscribe, thank you for coming back to watch this new video. So into this video we're going to talk about how to create YouTube intro using Canva. Now, do you know that you can do a lot of things on Canva? In fact, creating YouTube intro is just one of the features of Canva. Now, I've been doing a lot of videos here about Canva, and today what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube intro using Canva. Now, what you want to do is go to canva.com and come to this search bar and type YouTube intro. Now it's going to bring you, I'm going to show you the link, so you click on it, and what you see here is you're going to have so many options to choose from. You're going to have so many templates you want to choose from, and you know these templates are so many. In fact, if you don't even like any used ones you see in here, you can start creating yours from scratch. So what I'm probably going to do is I'm going to choose a template, isn't it? So I'm going to choose a template. So I'm going to choose this one right here. So I'm going to edit every part of this new intro. In fact, I'm probably going to use this intro in the beginning of this video, so make sure you check it out as well. So what I'm going to do here is you want to change this text. I'm going to change the text here. Now I'm going to say, okay, learn Learn, learn Canva YouTube intro with me. So I've written that, learn Canva YouTube intro with me. Now the X are there, I've deleted this. So you can also change the icon here. So I can just delete this and come to this place, click on elements, and add my own specific element. So I want to add this element. Just need to just drag and drop. I just clicked on it, it appeared, and I'm dragging and dropping it here right now. So I can reduce the size as well. So I think it's perfect right now. So I can decide to also to preview this video. Let me preview it and see how it looks like. Okay, I think it's great right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload my logo. You understand? So you can upload logo. So I'm going to upload my logo here. So let me preview again. Let me preview it and see how it looks like. Okay. So I just uploaded my logo right now, and I'm going to make it fit in directly. So it's going to fit in directly right now. So I think it's okay. It's great. So let me preview this right now in a larger screen. Okay, so let's see. I think it's great. Okay, so it's looking great. So we all set up. You see, we just set this up in less than 2 minutes. All it all needed was just choose a template, change the words and the icon, and added our logo, and the YouTube intro is ours. Very easy. Now if you understand something, this YouTube intro is not having an audio. So what we need to do is add an audio to it. So I'll show you a website where you can add audio. In fact, you can use this website to edit any video. So the first thing you probably want to do is to download this image. So I'm going to download this image straight to my computer. So it's downloading right now. Now I'm going to show you a website where you can add audio to this intro. This intro now is not looking so nice because we don't have an audio playing in the background. So I'm going to upload or add an audio to this intro so that it's going to look so nice and good, pleasant. So the website we're going to use is capwing.com. Now this website is a free online video editing software. In fact, you don't even need to download any software in your computer. Everything is going to be done online. You edit your video, so now you're not going to pay for any expensive software or have a software take up the space of a computer now. So we're going to be doing everything online here. All you just need to do is sign into your Google account and you're good to go. So I clicked on new project, so I'm going to upload the project right here now. So I just uploaded the audio, the intro we just did right now. So let me preview it. As you can see, the intro is not having any audio. It's just playing without any audio. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add an audio to this intro or video. So I click on audio, I click on upload an audio. So I'm going to choose an audio from my computer. So let me say this audio. So I just uploaded an audio, so let me preview it. Okay, I don't like this. Let me remove it. I think I have to. Let me change the audio. Let me change it to something else. Okay, let's try this one. So let me preview it right now. I think this one is looking great, like the sounding great as well. So I'm gonna use this. So what I'm gonna do now is very simple. Just click on done, and it's gonna bring it here. Then I can decide as well to also review it right away. I think it's all great, sounding very nice and great, and everything is working out fine. So what I'm gonna do is export the video right now. So what is going to happen is this Capwing is going to take it to their kitchen as they call it. So they're going to take it to their kitchen and process everything. As you can see, they are reading so many scripts here. They're going to process everything on their platform, and once the video is ready to download, they're going to alert us. Okay, if we can download it, we can share it on social media, we can embed it to our video on our blog if you have one on our website. So guys, please make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Please make sure to subscribe, and if you can also check out other videos where I talked about how to use Canva to create your beautiful logos. You can use to check out that video. So right now we have the video is all set up. So now let's preview the video. See that this audio we just downloaded from Canva that is not having audio has an audio now. So what we need to do is, you can see we can embed this, we can copy the link and share it to our social media handle. We can edit it if you want. Now we can also download this. So I'm going to download this YouTube intro stereo. So I've downloaded it right now to my computer, and I can use it to do or for my YouTube intro right away. So I'm probably going to use this YouTube intro as my YouTube intro now. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I can decide to preview it once more for you guys. So you guys can see. I think it's all well, it's good. So right now, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please make sure to come to my channel and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Check out other videos I have here. I'm making videos as often as possible. Check out the videos. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed. Give this video a thumbs up. Hit me up in the comment section. Ask me anything you want me to answer, and I'll be glad to do. So without wasting much of your time, thank you for watching the video, and I believe you enjoyed something from it. So thank you. Bye.